Hi, this is docmatt and this is my BMW e46 and I'm going to show you the simplest of things when your car door is really hard to open, like this. All you need to do is take out this grub screw here. You got a little Allen key hole in there, and then you need one of these. You stick this in there, you twist it round, or do it this way until it's really tight. Stick your grub screw in, or a grub screw or whatever it's called. Close the door and then easy as pie. And that, my friends, is how you do it without BMW doing it and charging you £1 million.